If Panorama needs to authenticate administrators against a Radius server in your environment, you can create an authentication profile that contains a Radius server profile. And you create authentication profiles under Panorama, Authentication Profile. I've created one here called Radius of Profile. I set the type to Radius, and I used the drop-down list to select the Radius server profile that I've already built. I need to create my Radius server profile before I can create the authentication profile, so I can select it from this list. The user domain and the username modifier let me modify how Panorama will send queries to Radius servers. And the settings that you use will depend on how your organization's Radius servers are configured. Under the Advanced tab, you can use this button to add individual Radius groups to limit who can access Panorama. Panorama won't grant access to an administrator account if it doesn't fall into the groups that you list here. Specific Radius groups. The account lockout options allow you to specify the number of consecutive failed login attempts by a single administrator and the amount of time that you want to lock that account out when the failed attempts value is reached. When these values are set to 0, Panorama won't lock any administrator's account out no matter how many failed attempts occur.